Imagine a future where technology understands you better than you understand yourself, where every question you have is met with not just any answer, but the right one. That future is not as far off as you might think. So, welcome to our AIgenie YouTube channel and meet MAI1, Microsoft's latest leap into artificial intelligence. Born from the minds of the best and brightest, Microsoft's MAI1 isn't just a new player in the game. It's a whole new game itself. Today, we're diving into a groundbreaking development in the world of artificial intelligence. Microsoft is gearing up to launch a colossal new AI language model called MAI1. This release is not just any ordinary update. It's a bold step into the future of AI. Buckle up as we explore the depths of MAI1, its unique features, and how it stacks up against giants like OpenAI's GPT-4. The story begins with Mustafa Suleiman, a renowned figure who previously led significant projects at Google AI and was the CEO of the AI startup, Inflection. Microsoft has recently acquired Inflection for $650 million, incorporating its intellectual property and team into their ecosystem. With Suleiman's expertise, Microsoft is not merely integrating existing technologies, but is innovating a brand new model from scratch. Understanding MAI1. MAI1 is poised to be a game-changer with about 500 billion parameters, placing it in the league of heavyweights, but not quite as large as GPT-4, which boasts over 1 trillion parameters. However, what sets MAI1 apart? It's the strategic integration of technology and vast resources, including the use of NVIDIA's powerful GPUs and Microsoft's expansive data troves that will support its development. Comparing MAI1 and GPT-4. While GPT-4 has shown impressive capabilities in understanding and generating human-like text, MAI1's design aims to match or even surpass these feats by leveraging Microsoft's cutting-edge AI infrastructure and Suleiman's vision. We'll discuss potential features, from natural language processing to code generation, and speculate on the innovations MAI1 might bring to the table. Delving deeper inside Microsoft's strategy, Microsoft's commitment to AI is evident from their $10 billion investment in OpenAI, complementing their in-house advancements. Kevin Scott, Microsoft's CTO, has articulated a vision where both in-house models and partnerships like OpenAI play pivotal roles in shaping their AI offerings. This dual approach ensures robust growth and innovation, positioning Microsoft as a formidable player in the AI landscape. Talking about ethical AI. In today's AI-driven world, ethics cannot be an afterthought. We'll discuss how Microsoft plans to embed ethical considerations into MAI1, ensuring the model operates within safe and responsible parameters, much like its predecessors and competitors. As for global impact and industry reactions, what does MAI1 mean for the AI industry and beyond? We'll analyze potential impacts on various sectors, including technology, healthcare, and finance. Also, we'll look into how competitors and the tech community are reacting to this major release. So, as we wrap up, I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think MAI1 will be capable of? How do you see it affecting your field or interests? Drop your thoughts and questions in the comments below. As we await its launch, the excitement within the tech community is palpable, and rightfully so. This could be the dawn of a new era in artificial intelligence. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest in technology and AI. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video where we decode more tech innovations.